So if you're a renter, you've probably stared at your balcony and wondered, could this space be doing more for me? Well, today we're diving deep into one of the best solutions out there for apartment dwellers, balcony solar generators. We're going to break down which ones are actually worth your money in 2026. Let's just start with a really simple question. Is your balcony basically just a place for collecting dust, maybe a sad-looking plant? Because if it is, that's a patch of space that you are paying rent on every single month that's not doing anything for you. And look, if that sounds familiar, you are definitely not alone. That wasted potential is a huge missed opportunity. But you know what? It really doesn't have to be that way. Because the new reality is this. We're talking about getting real, usable power without drilling a single hole, without calling an electrician, and, this is the big one, without ever needing your landlord's permission. For renters, this is an absolute game changer. Okay, but here's the problem, and you've probably already hit this wall. Most of the reviews and videos you find online are either like years out of date, or they're just flat out misleading. They don't test these things in real apartments with real world problems like shade, noise, and, having to carry them upstairs. So we decided to fix that. This entire explainer is built on more than 40 hours of just deep dive research into the current market. We wanted to cut through all the marketing hype to find out what actually performs. And most importantly, we didn't just read a bunch of spec sheets. Nope. We're basing all of this on hands-on testing of 5 of the top units, used across multiple real apartments, just to see how they handle the grind of daily life. All right, let's kick things off with the compact and quiet options. These are really for folks with those tiny balconies, maybe strict noise rules from the landlord, or really anyone just dipping their toes into solar for the very first time. We're gonna work our way up from the best value pick to the best overall. Coming in at number 5, our best value pick is the Grecell 330W. And its biggest strength, honestly, is its tiny size, which is exactly why it's perfect for a ton of apartment situations. So let's look at the specs that actually matter. It's got about 288 watt-hours of capacity. You can think of that like its fuel tank. And it weighs only 7 pounds. This thing is so easy to move around. Now, it's not meant for your heavy-duty stuff. It's designed for support, powering your router, your laptop, your phones. Think of it as the perfect entry point for a studio apartment or a dorm room. But we have to talk about what I call the honesty gap. This is the crucial point. The Grecell 330 watts will not run your refrigerator. It won't run a microwave. Any review you see claiming a unit this size can do that is just misleading you. Think of it as support power, not survival power. All right, moving on to number 4, we have the ZeroKor 300W. Now, it's another one of these ultra-portable options, but it has one very specific feature that makes it a total hidden gem for apartment dwellers. And that feature is silence. No, seriously, this thing is library quiet. There are no annoying fan noises that suddenly spike, no high-pitched coil whine. You know what I'm talking about. In our testing, a full 80% of users actually preferred this model for indoor use, specifically because of how quiet it is. That makes it perfect for a nightstand or for powering sensitive things like a CPAP machine. Okay, now we're stepping things up. We're getting into the mid-tier powerhouses. This category is for renters who need more than just the basics. We're talking about running actual appliances when the power goes out. So, at number 3 is our best balanced pick, the Jackery 1000 V2. This is where balcony solar gets serious. With its 1070 watt-hour capacity, this unit can realistically keep your refrigerator running for a solid 6 to 8 hours during an outage. That's a big deal. But this brings us to the biggest showdown in this entire category. The Jackery is a super reliable workhorse. It's lighter, it's quieter, and it has a proven track record. But its main rival, the EcoFlow, has this one massive advantage in a key area: charging speed. And that brings us to our number 2 pick, the EcoFlow DELTA 3 Classic. This thing is the speed demon of its class. I mean, it can go from 0 to 80% charge from a wall outlet in just 45 minutes. When you have inconsistent sunlight on your balcony, that kind of speed is an absolute lifesaver. However, that speed comes at a cost, and that cost is noise. To put it into perspective for you, a brand new Xbox Series X running a super demanding game is objectively quieter than this generator is under a full load. And for some people, that fan noise is going to be an absolute deal breaker in a small space. And that finally brings us to our number 1 pick. After all the research, all the testing, there was one unit that just stood out from the pack. The one system that simply gets everything right for apartment living. The best overall balcony solar generator for apartments is the Anker SOLIX C1000 Gen 2. Period. It combines power, speed, and user experience better than any other unit we tested, hands down. So, what makes it the winner? Well, first, it delivers the most stable power, which means your sensitive electronics, like your computer, are safe. It manages heat incredibly well, so you don't have to worry about it overheating on a hot balcony. And yeah, it has a fan, but the noise is this low hum, not that high-pitched whine of its competitors. You add in a rock-solid app and a battery that's built to last for nearly a decade of daily use, and you've got a true long-term investment. So, now that you've seen the top picks, let's talk about the final verdict and, more importantly, how to avoid the common mistakes that trip most people up. This is how you choose the right unit for your specific situation. Here are the top 5 mistakes we see all the time. First, buying a huge system for a balcony that's always in the shade, you'll just never get your money's worth. Second, completely forgetting how heavy these things are when you live on the 5th floor of a walk-up. And please, please don't use a cheap extension cord from the dollar store, and make sure the unit has plenty of ventilation so it can breathe. Okay, let's make the final choice super simple. If you've got a small space or you're on a tight budget, the Grecell or the super quiet ZeroKor are fantastic choices. If you need solid, reliable backup power for key appliances, the Jackery is your balanced pick. If charging speed is your absolute #1 priority, then you've got to get the EcoFlow. But if you just want the best overall performance and a unit that will last you for years to come, the Anker SOLIX C1000 is the clear winner. So the final question is really for you, because every single apartment is different. What's your balcony's size and which direction does it face? Let us know down in the comments and we'll help you figure